Hello again YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm still working with the double nut technique, but this time I show you what to do when the case nuts are really stubborn.
When you find yourself really stuck, use a pair of vice grips. I could use a longer wrench for sure, but I don't want to snap the stud at the end, otherwise it's all pointless anyways. So
I explained this technique in the first video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link up to that in the corner as well as in the description below, so definitely check that out if you have no idea what I'm doing here.
I'm pretty sure I'm going to do that for these too.
While I was doing this, I learned something new, so definitely stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to see what that is, and maybe you'll learn something too.
Pretty sure it's still going to back out the nut. Yep. Yeah, so it's just backing out the nut. You heard that right.
You can hear when the studs break free. It's just the first couple threads that are really difficult, but after that, you can just hit it with the wrench. If you're enjoying the music in this video, check out the artist Syntax Disco. I'll put all of his information down in the description below, so definitely check him out for some awesome 8-bit sounds. Did you catch that? I didn't expect that to happen. Pretty cool.
I dropped the nut in this case. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. That works too. Alright, in order for it to be science, it has to be repeatable. So let's see if the third time's a charm. It seems like...
Alright, we've come to the end of the video now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little case study. If you did, I ask that you go down, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Got it. So if they're really stuck, double nut, double wrench. In order for it to be science, it has to be repeatable. Shut up.